Hello guys, welcome back to my channel The Great Lion. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share. Daily use English sentences. Repeat after me. My phone is ringing. My phone is ringing. My phone is ringing. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Who is speaking? Who is speaking? Who is speaking? Do you study English? Do you study English? Do you study English? I like this dress. I like this dress. I like this dress. Why are you upset? Why are you upset? Why are you upset? Give up the bad habits. Give up the bad habits. Give up the bad habits. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. How much is it? How much is it? How much is it? When will you reach? When will you reach? When will you reach? You are my responsibility. You are my responsibility. You are my responsibility. They like each other. They like each other. They like each other. She wakes early in the morning. She wakes early in the morning. She wakes early in the morning. Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? How can I go to the city? How can I go to the city? How can I go to the city? I will call you later. I will call you later. I will call you later. Sir, my tiffin. Sir, my tiffin. Sir, my tiffin. What do you need? What do you need? What do you need? I am feeling tired today. I am feeling tired today. I am feeling tired today. I can't wait any longer. I can't wait any longer. I can't wait any longer. Your shirt is dirty. Your shirt is dirty. Your shirt is dirty. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? My stomach is paining. My stomach is paining. My stomach is paining. I have fever last Sunday. 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 Can you turn the volume up? Can you turn the volume up? Can you turn the volume up? Could you repeat that? I didn't hear you clearly. Could you repeat that? I didn't hear you clearly. Could you repeat that? I didn't hear you clearly.